My name is Ngozi and I represent AG Mortgage Bank PLC. What do you know about mortgage? Do you know what mortgage is? Do you know you can have access to that dream home you've always wanted? How can you have access to this? What do you need to do? And what are the necessary steps you need to take? And which mortgage institution do you need to go to? We at AG Mortgage Bank, we are here to educate you. We're on the bank, on the street. Please join me together as we educate you.
Hi, my name is Christy from AG Mortgage Bank. Let's meet you, please.
My name is Tommy.
Have you heard about mortgage?
Yeah, I have an idea about what mortgage is.
Please, can you share your idea with us?
Mortgage to me is basically like getting or paying instrumentally to own, like payment to own. Like, so getting something and paying to own at the end of the day. That's my own idea of mortgage. I don't know what you guys in your bank.
Oh, wow. That's a lovely idea from you, Tommy. So what advice will you give any of your friends that intends owning a home, that's a first-time owner via mortgage? So what advice would you give to that friend of yours?
I think mortgage is actually a great idea because, like, you don't have to have the money right now. So you can just be paying in installment as long as you have the funds and you have the cash flow. You can take up mortgage. It's a good idea.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tommy, for your contribution to this discussion.
Yes,
it was nice having you. Also, tell me what you know about mortgage. Have you heard about mortgage?
Just about the name as a bank, but I don't really know. I know their bank.
When you talk about mortgage, mortgage rings a bell. Some people may not really know what it is about, what it entails. Have you heard anybody talk about mortgage? Do you have an idea?
No.
You don't have an idea?
I don't know.
Okay, let me just simply ask you. Like, you have an account, right?
Sure.
With another bank?
Sure.
So what influenced your choice of bank?
Actually, some banks, they are business friendly, and it's somehow, and even sometimes your areas depends on your banks, because you don't want to use the bank that with you. Before getting there, you'll be spending a lot of money. So that's why I choose some banks that is near my vicinity.
Oh, wow, interesting. Thank you. It was nice having you on the show.
My name is Ngozi and I represent AG Mortgage Bank. Please, may I know your name, ma?
Okay, I'm Modupe.
Okay, it's nice meeting you, Mrs. Modupe. Please, what do you know about mortgage? Have you ever heard of mortgage before?
Yes, I've heard about them before. I've heard about mortgage, I should say. Mortgage is like you want to buy a form of property and you don't have all the money at once, so you get to pay instrumentally at your convenience, kind of.
Awesome, that's great. So she has a very good understanding of what mortgage is, and then it's you having an intention to purchase a property and you don't have that money on ground, but you then meet a mortgage bank and then they help you pay the money. So is there any place in Lagos where you have desire to own a property?
Any good location? Yes, I want Lekki.
Okay, so she wants Lekki. So do you believe you can have that property? Do you believe you can have the property?
Yes, I believe why, yes.
So now that is why we are here at AG Mortgage Bank. Our main goal and responsibility is to provide livable and affordable houses for all Nigerians, both in Nigeria and in diaspora. So that means today your dream of owning that house in Lekki, your prayer has been answered.
Amen.
Thank you so much, man.
Can you just tell us a little, about mortgage and share your experience with us so far?
Well, mortgage in Nigeria, I don't know what you mean. Mortgage in Nigeria, if you go for it, it's like you are giving yourself timing bomb for debt. The way, if you borrow money from the bank, take for instance, you borrow money from the bank. When the lapse of agreement now lapse a day, you'll be seeing a lot of deadly letter dropping at your door window that will ignite you to meet your God in the next 10 minutes. In the nutshell, I'm telling you, mortgage in Nigeria, it has not been given elaborate honor. It has not been welcome in Nigeria. Mortgage is supposed to be more fine for anybody selling market, anybody working in the working class, no matter your salary. You will expand the payback strength, which will give people long life. Because in Nigeria context or African context, the moment you hear bank is in front of your house, your heart will drop. If care is not taken, that person can slump off. That kind of thing does not allow people to have interest in mortgage. Mortgage in Nigeria, if you mortgage a house of 6 million and somebody input like 1 million, then when you do the expansion of that payback for that mortgage, I think it can last for 10 or 20 years, which will not have anything to do with that life of that person. So if they can do it in Nigeria, it will reduce the inability of Nigeria to be going for fraudulent attitude, to be pursuing occultic way of making money. It will reduce people pursuing others for debt because of money. Mortgage will correct people, will encourage people to live a balanced life. That is what I see to it.
All right, thank you so much, sir, for the feedback. And we as the brand AG Mortgage Bank, we believe we will continue to change the narration of mortgage in Nigeria.
Okay, let me give you another incoming scene that dropped in my brain.
Okay, sir.
Like the present government in Nigeria today, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is a person that have impact in others' life. I think this mortgage policy can work through Asiwaju. Your AG Mortgage Bank, go and align with federal government, Ministry of Finance. Go and align with them, trade with them, cite a place for land of a room and parlour apartment, of 1,004 units, where we have the police station, you have the recreation center. It should drop the price of the rentage in Lagos State. If you can initiate that, Asiwaju will be interested. You use it for Ibejuleki, you use it in Igodo, you use it in what did I say, various local government. The people that live in a room face you, when they get that kind of opportunity, they will live a balanced life. So you need to have a rapport with the state government.
All right, thank you so much, sir. And we hope to continuously work on your
But yes,
feedback,
you're
sir.
choosing me. You're my
Thank you so
wife,
much. It was nice having you, sir.
Nice meeting you as well. Thank you so much. What I'm saying is this: AG Mortgage Finance, they can rally with the federal government. I will give you backup. This one will be the first in Africa to succeed by having a room self-contained for the masses of Nigeria. A room and parlour self-contained. That is the apartment we need in Nigeria for now. Not duplex, not 4-bedroom flats. The one that can conveniently park in store and live, that one we strategize. Thank you very much.
Hey peeps, it's a wrap on Bank on the Streets for today. Till our next edition on Bank on the Streets, it's bye for now.